Look deep into nature, said Albert Einstein, and you will understand everything better. And where better to celebrate our natural world than in the art of nature photography? Calling all budding photographers and nature lovers alike, as RTE Eye on Nature, Ireland's wildlife photography competition, returns. To enter, see rte.ie/Eye on Nature. For updates and more, nationwide on RTE1 and Mooney Goes Wild on RTE Radio 1. Eye on Nature, presented by RTE with the National Botanic Gardens Dublin and the OPW. See rte.ie/Eye on Nature.